I'm also going to show you can get a repair report with the Blue Driver with the possible causes and the top reported repairs. You'll say keep the vehicle if you already input the VIN. For this, you will need a VIN. If you haven't done it so, you can do so by inputting manually or with the camera. Once that's completed, just read codes. It will give you a list. You can do the quick check engine light. That's what we're looking at. Gonna opt not to use the odometer information. And we got one code, a P0156. We're gonna click on the arrow and it will give you the repair report. And this report you get in the top, you got the VIN number, the code you're looking at, a quick survey if you decide to say yes or no. You got the code definitions, the code frequency, 6 possible causes, two top reported fixes, 4 frequently reported fixes, and 5 other reported fixes. Now that could change varying on the type of reported fixes by the report. So remember, if you're interested in purchasing the Blue Driver, the link is in the description.